Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Well, it's been a long time since I've been to the range. I actually went to get some more storage boxes for one of my cupboards, and of course I got a bit sidetracked and ended up coming home with a bit more than I had gone for. But I have to share with you some really cool things that I found. So let me just move these to one side a minute and just show you these storage boxes. I have the great big huge ones of these. I'm trying to do them all, coordinate my room in this colour because I do love this lovely blue. Don't bite with your teeth. Love this, stop biting. Love these boxes. I've got the big ones, and I emptied one of the cupboards and put some stuff in one of my Kallax drawers, so it had room for these smaller versions, you know, because I do have some things in the big boxes which I don't have. It doesn't fill all of the compartments, so I thought, well, actually, if I move those things to these little boxes, I've then got a big one for something else. Well, that's my thing, and the gap that I have fits 6 of these, so I can have them all nicely labelled. They are £2.99 each, so if you're looking for craft room storage solutions, they fit in drawers. They're just really handy and really reasonable. The big ones are £4.99 and these ones are £2.99, so I picked up another 2. I actually have 5 now, but they only had 2 there, so I do need to go back and get another one, which is lethal. Stop it. Let me just put these over there. And then I did get a couple more of these, which I love. They're £1 each. But what's good about these is I have these in a lot of my drawers, but you can then stack them. They can see you doing that. That's naughty. I have realised if I talk to him while he's having a moment, he does calm down. We'll see if he does it again, and then I'll try it. You watch, he won't even want to know, will he? So yeah, I've bought a couple more of these just to go in the drawers. I think I have enough of them now. And they also have these, which actually works out a little bit cheaper. It's a set of 4 flex mini trays for £4.99, which actually, if you buy the other ones, just trying to think, the 3, 4, 5, actually I think it's the same difference if you buy the blue ones, but I just like them. They're flexy, they're pretty cool. So I got a set of those as well, but I haven't got any light of these little dinky tubs, so I quite like those. So we will find a home for those as well. So that's basically my craft room storage. I only went in for 2 boxes and I ended up with lots of things. I know, gorgeous. I found some gorgeous things. There is this stamp. Now, I love my little gorgeous stamps, but what I loved about this one is it's the 2 little girls, and obviously I've got my Jessica and Francesca, and they look very alike, so I thought this would be super cute when I do my journaling for my little granddaughters. Just thought it was cute, and you get a little collector's card in there as well, which is really adorable. So I got that, and I also got this tin with all these like star embellishments. I know, £5, but I loved the tin. I love the tin. I do love gorgeous, and I do collect certain things, and I just thought they'd be really pretty for my craft room. Are you playing up to the camera? Do you like Mummy's new desk? Mummy doesn't like her new desk. Mummy hates her new desk. Yes, everybody, you know, I've done my craft room. I'm not happy with my desk. It's not the one that I had originally wanted. I impulse bought. It's not very wide this way, and it's actually a dressing table that's been painted. It has got a nice long, it's nice and long, as Charles is showing you all here. And what's the word I'm looking for? Charles is modeling this table, but it's not very wide. And also I have a little chair on wheels now, and it doesn't fit because it's the gap where the chair would go. It's only for like a stool or something, so I can't get right up to the table. It is better than what I had before, and if I have to make do with this, I will make do. I'm sure I'll get used to it. But the desk I wanted, yeah, one came up on the marketplace the other day, yesterday actually, and they haven't replied to me. Oh, I know, so I might get it after all. But oh, you're in a really lovely mood today. How long is that gonna last for? We will have to see. I will keep you posted. It is white, it's the same colour. It's just this one has a big gap down there as well, which things could fall down. And I don't know, I don't know. It's the only thing I don't like in my craft room. I love everything else. Anyway, I went off on a tangent then. So my gorgeous tin with these lovely gold star embellishments, which I thought would be super cute on projects. And also, oh my gosh, like I need more washi tape. I want to show you guys what's out there really. Now look, 24 washi tapes for $4.99, and there are some super cute dog ones. I don't know if you can see. There are is lipstick, high heels, like my stamping stilettos, beautiful eyes, lips, so beautiful. Some word ones, shopping. I really seriously need to get into my what do you call it, scrapbooking, and I thought this would be super cute. So not really for my vintage projects so much, more for my you know, journaling and my, I need, because I've made a couple of journals for myself and I'm so busy never writing them, and I want to start doing that. So I'm going to start hopefully doing some of that on camera as well, because I have to show you so many things. I've got so many things on my list. Oh my gosh, I'm really waffling today. I do apologize. Another tangent. Anyway, washi tape, 24 pieces. They're 3 meters on each one. Lots of glittery ones, some lovely shiny metallic ones. Look, they are adorable. I don't have anything like that, but look, £5 for 24. That is just awesome. But my find for today, OMG, they have got these they're called Luxe paper blocks. They're made by Deco Time, and they're $2.99, and they've got different themes. I don't know what they're called. This one is, I do not know. Let's have a look, see if there is a name on these. Doesn't have a name. Oh, hang on. Is this, no, not Once Upon a Time. Right, they don't have a name for the pads. Anyway, there are 1, 2, 3, there's 4 different ones, and I got 2 of that one. But look at these paper pads, right? So turning over, you can look how gorgeously beautiful these are, and they're die cuts. Look, they just pop out, and it's just so colourful. Look at this unicorn, and the colours are just stunning. And then you have these, almost like what you would have in the happy planners, but it's acetate vellum, and it's got like unicorns are awesome, dream big, believe in magic, make a wish, break the rules, be brave little one, take me to the moon, if you dream you can do it, make a wish. Just, oh my gosh, love them. Then another page of die cuts. Oh no, these are stickers, I think. Yeah, these are stickers. Oh look, you've got stickers, you've got die cuts, you've got beautiful papers. Oh my goodness me, I'm going to have so much fun. And this is like cardstock, this is. So this is card, actually. Look how beautiful that is. That's quite a thick card. Oh, look at that. Oh, that would be so gorgeous on the front of a journal. Oh my gosh, that speaks journal, 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 journal. All day long journal. I'm glad I've got 2 of these. And then you have more die cuts. These are all dies. look at the colours in these. These are just awesome. Oh, I love them. Oh my gosh, these are going to be one of my next favourite things. Look at these beautiful images. I'm not sure if you're seeing these, how beautiful this is. And if I go in, you're not going to see it. Oops, sorry, let me go out and see if, oh, I can zoom in a little bit. Nope. Right, that, I don't know if that's helping you. And look, ice creams and donuts and just beautiful. Look at these. How many pages there are. And then you have another page of the vellum. This is gorgeous. So I have 2 of those. And then this one, let's have a look. Look at this with these lovely woodland creatures. Adventures. Look, it's got like a fox and a hedgehog and a rabbit and a skunk, little birdie. Oh my gosh. And then you have another page of the vellums. Be happy, love is in the air, happy birthday. Then you've got a page of stickers and then some gorgeous cardstock. Look at these. Like the trees. See what I mean about this desk not being wide enough. Oh, look at these woodland creatures. Right, this desk is winding me up now. Look at those. Oh, that's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at the toadstools. Oh, and then these are die cuts. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are lovely. This way for adventure. Love, love, love. These are going to be awesome for my smash books. Oh my goodness, I can just sit now. Don't grow up, it's a trap. Oh, that's funny. Have an amazing birthday. And then you've got another page of the vellum sheets. This one is a like seaside theme. So you've got your holiday, flip-flops, your beach ones. This one says Mermaid Squad. Enjoy every moment, stay wild. Let the sea set you free. Happiness is a day at the beach. Let's go travel. And then you've got your stickers. And then some cardstock here. Oh, I like that one. That's gorgeous. This is really thick cardstock actually. And then beautiful pages of die cuts. I just love the colouring on these. Look at these seahorses. There are quite a few pages as well, look. Loads. And then another page of the vellum sheets. And then the last one we have, I think this is just a, I don't know what sort of theme this is. Look, date, location. All you need is love, time for the good vibes, greetings. Girls just want to have fun. Life is made of small moments like this. Happy weekend. Never give up. The adventure begins. I think this is just a mixture of loveliness. Oh, look at this colours on this. Oh, little Bambi. And then you have more die cuts. He's cute, isn't he? Oops. Actually, I like the zebra as well. Oh, it's a pussycat. Can you see the pussycat there? Look. How cute is the cat? Oh, look at the typewriter. Oh, I like this one as well. This is just kind of all different sorts of things. Look, telephone. Oh, this is super cute. I might have to go and get me another one of these when I have to go back and get that extra container. I think I deliberately left one so I could go back. Look. Super cute, super cute. Life is a... No, what's that say? It's a beautiful life. I'm sorry, it was upside down. Keep calm and stay meow. Keep calm and say meow. Just delicious. So, get yourself to the range. These are just beautiful, and I think I will have to go back. I said to the lady on the counter, I said, she was saying, aren't these beautiful? I went, yes. I said, but there's only one problem. When you find something gorgeous like this, I don't know about you guys, but I have to go, I have to buy the whole set. I have to buy the whole set. And then if there's one that I really, really like, I have to get another one because I don't want to use one of them, or I don't want to run out. And now I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I need to go back and get another whole set. Oh, it's just, oh my gosh. What's wrong with me? Do you have this problem? Please let me know that I'm not the only one that does this, because I think I have a problem. I need help. Right, my lovelies, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I probably sound like a crazy loony lady, but I am. So I'm sorry. No, I'm not really sorry, because it's me. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I shall be back for more later on today or tomorrow. So take care for now. Give me a like and a subscribe, and see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.